Welcome to RJ Kicks.
Hey guys, what is going on? It is RJ Kicks and we are back with another video. Today we will be unboxing the Jordan 1 band, the Jordan 31 band, and the Jordan 1 Trainer Low band colorway. And let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have changed camera angles and we just have like this pyramid of shoes right here. So to start off with our unboxing, let's start off with the Jordan 1 breads. The heaters, you know. Gotta stand up for these. Oh, these are so nice. The leather quality is amazing on these. Oh, dang it. I don't want to knock anything over, but it does come with white and red laces as an option, so you get the white ones and the red ones. It default comes with the black ones. And yeah, let's get into a 360 look. So, as you saw in the 360 shot, the leather quality is pretty nice on this pair. One thing I will say is, the red leather is very nice. Like, look at the red one; it's all, you can tell the detail. But then you get to the black leather, and it's kind of like, I don't think it's synthetic. It might be synthetic, but it's a lot harder. And yeah, let's get into the Air Jordan 31 bands. For number 2 in this 3-pack, we are unboxing the Jordan 31 band colorway. It's very similar to the Jordan 31 USA colorway, and if you have not seen that, the video will be in the link down below, so check that out after you finish this video, of course. And let's get into the band, Air Jordan 31 bands. So it features a prime knit. What am I thinking of? This is not Adidas. A fly weave upper with synthetic leather in the back. On the bottom it says band. It uses flight speed. It's very, very comfortable. And let's get into that 360 look. In total, I think the Jordan 31 band colorway is a very simple and very nice colorway for any hype beasts out there that want to cop it like me. I think they really set the bar high with the Jordan 1 bands, and they accomplished it with this. I really like this shoe, and with that being said, let's get into the Air Jordan Trainer 1 Low in the band colorway. Last but not least in this pack unboxing, we have the Air Jordan 1 Low Trainer, or Air Jordan Trainer 1 Low, sorry, in the band colorway, of course, because this is the band unboxing pack thing I decided to do since I picked up all 3 of the band shoes. This one, like all, well, the 31s, not the ones, they didn't write band on the bottom, but it says band right there. Nice. I don't know what type of upper this is, but it's like a mesh quilted upper. I can't really tell. It uses fly wire, sorry, and a nice embroidered Jumpman. I think this is Lunarlon or Flight Speed or Phylon, one of them. And let's get into that 360 look. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed this Air Jordan band pack triple unboxing in one video. If you have, please leave a like and make sure to comment, or make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment on what you thought about my video. And I will see you with my next video, and peace.